Why does my basement drain keep backing up? It's a frustrating problem many homeowners are faced with. I'm Ben with Bonfe, and I'm here with Alex, one of our drain system experts, to help us find out what are the common causes and what we can do about it. So, Alex, what are the most common causes of my main basement drain backing up?
Great question. So it could either be your sewer system going out to the street or an interior line. What can usually happen is tree roots can break through, or it could be deterioration of an interior line.
How can you tell if it's an interior problem or a mainline problem?
Great question. So a mainline problem, what you may start to notice is multiple drains in the home backing up. You might also start to notice gurgling sounds. An interior problem, it's usually just located right at one drain in your home.
And what can a homeowner do to prevent these backups?
So yearly maintenance is key. I always recommend doing a camera inspection of all drainage lines inside and outside of the home to ensure that there's not major buildup inside of any of those lines.
If a backup happens, how quickly should I call a plumber?
I would say immediately. We would be able to have one of our drain service technicians come out and we'd be able to tackle the issue and find the issue right away for you.
Great. Thanks for your help today, Alex.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching. If you want to see any more of our videos, please check out our channel. And if you ever need help from an expert, we're open 7 days a week.